Yesterday on this note we have ended. So let's continue from here. IT development. The first topic is data warehouse. Um, did we do this one? No, we didn't do. Am I audible? No one's responding. Am I audible?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah. We have to start this one. IT developments. The first concept here is data warehouse. Did I do this one? I didn't do, isn't it? Okay. Data warehouse is a collection of data, a place where the entire data is stored. Okay, a database, a data extraction tool, and decision support system. So, where data can be stored. So, whenever it is needed for any decision making, that data can be retrieved from the place where it is stored. So, that's called as data warehousing. When the data is retrieved and it is analyzed for understanding the structure of the data, the patterns, um, those things, if they have to be understood. When the data is retrieved and the relationship is established, we call that as data mining. Okay, first one is data warehouse, where the data is stored. When the data is retrieved for analysis purpose, we call that as data mining. Next one is networks. Networks, local area networks and wide area networks. The employees of the organization can connect with their connect with the help of network. Their computers are connected, so it becomes easy possible for them to share the data. If within an organization, within an office, if they are connected to the um, computers, we call that as local area networks. But suppose there is an office in one city and the head office is another city. Let's say um, Hyderabad and Delhi. They are quite far away, but still, if there is a network which connects the systems in the Hyderabad office with the systems in Delhi office, then we call that as wide area network. Now, by way of being connected through this network, it becomes possible for them to share the data. The privacy can be maintained. It is easy, so that quickly can then they can respond to whatever is the situation. Intranet is a private organizational network. It enables the information to be shared among employees. Extranet also connects, apart from having the intranet, it also connects the outside stakeholders like suppliers, customers, business partners, and also it enables them to be connected with the external stakeholders. Then we have internet. We all of us understand what's that, a global system of interconnected networks carrying a vast array of information and resources. Then we have ERPS, Enterprise Resources Planning System. So this is a system where it integrates all the information at one place, and then it's easy to retrieve the data and use it for decision making. Uh, then the uniformity would be there. Otherwise, if the data was maintained by different departments according to their convenience, the data would be maintained, but it may not be understood by all the others in the organization. But once when the data is integrated, the system helps them to integrate the information. um, then uniformity can be brought into that. and they are connected. Um, the timeliness would be there whenever it is needed according to that particular situation. The data can be retrieved and used. Then we have something called as radio frequency identification device. Um, these are small devices which can be tagged to assets. So these devices generate they send some. I'm really suggesting. These devices send signals, and the Wi-Fi system which is there in the organization captures these signals. So it becomes possible to identify where the